Hey, you awesome journeyers! Come check out what this amazing man found in our yard.
This is a rough green snake. These little guys are of course non-venomous and get to about 2 to 3 feet in length, occasionally longer. They are mainly insectivores, but they will eat worms and other things as well. We have two green snakes in Indiana, the rough and the smooth green snake. This is the rough green snake found in southern Indiana. Smooth green snakes are mainly found in northwest Indiana. The rough green snake is easily identified by its keeled scales. Green snakes are an arboreal species. They are excellent climbers.
Hope you enjoyed our cool find. Thanks for watching.